Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So make sure you click on the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel. You will be getting updates from us on our Telegram channel. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we will be expecting on gold for this week. But before that, let's do a recap of what we did last week. If you've watched the video, you can see that I predicted this move. I told you all that gold will be dropping, and it is exactly what market did. So if you've not watched it, you can go back to the channel, watch the previous analysis we did on gold. Our forecast was that gold will definitely give us a sell. It will drop, and it did that. Now, for this week that we are predicting for, we would also be expecting a sell also on gold. So I've actually told you guys the reason why we'll be expecting such a sell. Due to the fundamental aspect of this, we are now currently on an risk on investments. Everybody is now taking their money away from safe haven assets like the gold. Gold is safe haven assets. They are moving their money to you know riskier assets like the crypto, the stocks, right? You can see this is one of the reasons why the stock market is booming and the crypto market is booming. So of course, gold will definitely drop in this kind of an era. So more still be expecting more sell on gold, by the way. So let's take a look at this on this daily time frame now. To those of you that would love to sell, especially if you're a day trader, I would advise you to wait for a pullback. Then you can now look to sell again. If you're a swing trader, you are likely to hold it for a long time, then you can go ahead to sell. Because when you take a look at this movement, gold has literally given you a massive drop. Now take a look at this. Then we have this lower low first, lower low, and here comes the lower high. If you take a look at this, we have this lower low, and here is the lower high. Guess what we had here? This is a lower low. You can see that this lower low was a massive one. So you need to be very careful selling at this level here, especially if you are a day trader, because a lower high will be playing out anytime soon. So once the lower high plays out, then you can now hop in for a lower low. So basically this week, market will still close bearish. It will still give us a bearish move. So have that in mind that once it give us a pullback, another massive drop will play out, thereby taking out this previous low and forming a new lower low. So our forecast is still a downside. Our forecast on gold is still a downside. We will be expecting to drop. Make sure you follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll be giving you guys back-to-back updates there.